My name is Ulrika and my channel name is Gullrika. In this video I want to cover some Swedish words, the way I should pronounce them. In Sweden we have dialects too, so a person in north don't talk the same as one from the south, but this is how I pronounce a few Swedish words according to Bushcraft. Let's start out with morakniv. Mora, morakniv. Mora, morakniv. We also have Hilleberg. Hilleberg. And of course I have Trangia. Trangia. There is a knife maker called Hultafors. Hultafors. Hard to see there maybe. There, Hultafors. Moment. We also have Haglöfs. Haglöfs, Haglöfs. Optimus, Optimus. Fjällräven. Fjällräven. We also have Gränsforsbruk. Gränsforsbruk. Huskvarna. Huskvarna. Fällkniven. Fällkniven. That was the list I had. My name is Ulrika. My channel name is Gullrika. Mora, morakniv. Hilleberg, Gränsforsbruk. Huskvarna. Hultafors. Fjällräven. Trangia. Fällkniven. Haglöfs. Thank you for watching. That was all for today. Bye bye.